How do pop-up coffee stands maintain consistent milk texture? They maintain it by controlling milk temperature, using the same steaming technique, and checking the milk's texture every time. Baristas begin with cold fresh milk and a clean steaming pitcher, because warm milk or leftover residue can create uneven foam. They fill the pitcher only to about 1/3 full, leaving room for the milk to expand without overflowing. During steaming, they place the steam wand tip just under the surface so it pulls in a small amount of air and creates tiny bubbles. This gentle air mixing is called stretching, and it should usually happen near the beginning of steaming. After that, they lower the pitcher slightly so the milk spins in a smooth whirlpool, which blends the foam into the liquid instead of leaving large bubbles on top. Most milk is heated until the pitcher feels very hot but can still be held briefly, often around 60 to 65 degrees Celsius or about 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Plant-based milks may need slightly different heat and steaming methods because their proteins and oils behave differently. A lesser-known trick is to tap the pitcher lightly on the counter and swirl it immediately after steaming, which breaks large bubbles and keeps the texture glossy. Baristas should pour the milk soon after steaming because waiting allows the foam and liquid to separate. A common mistake is adding too much air, which creates stiff, dry foam, so listen for a soft paper tearing sound rather than a loud screech. Another mistake is overheating the milk, which can make it taste cooked and weaken its foam, so use a thermometer during training and learn the feel of the pitcher. Some people also assume every milk type steams the same way, but oat, soy, and almond milk can split or become thin, so test each brand and follow a consistent temperature range. Finally, dirty steam wands can change the flavor and interfere with texture, so wipe and purge the wand immediately after every use. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.